back to my channel, Jara Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I am back with another wig install video. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So I have another synthetic wig to install for you guys. And then I actually have 3 more on the way. But I don't think all 3 of them are synthetic, but we'll see when I get them. So this is from Amazon and it says Black Salon. So let's open up this little box and see what's in here. So this is a different color wig. It's not black at all. And it does have highlights in it. And I hope it looks good on me because this is not really a color I really put in my hair. So it's like a light brown, and then it has these little blondish looking highlights in them, and they're kind of like all over. But it is a really nice blend. It has a net over it, but we're gonna take that out in a few. They gave me some stickers. Not really sure what to do with them. They gave me this little weird looking clip. It actually looks really cool. Can you flip this back? No. Oh, okay. So the little purple part flips back, but I don't know. They gave me 2 wig caps. Definitely gonna need these. Not now because I'm still not doing the bald cap method. I'm gonna wear one, but I'm not gonna glue it down. And then they also gave me a user manual. I've never seen one of these before. So this is basically, I actually already opened this box like when I first got this wig, and I looked through the pamphlet or whatever, and it's really just to tell you how to take care of the wig and stuff like that, because it is synthetic and synthetic wigs need a little bit more maintenance. Okay, so let's take this net off this wig. Oh, got my band stuck to it. And so y'all can get a better look at her. So this is what she's looking like, and she is really pretty. The curls are giving. Look at the lace. It looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this wig off camera, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to install her. Okay, so she's all prepped and ready, sitting right here. And I have my hair prepped, of course. I braided my hair instead of just tucking it all under this little cap. And I left my braid. I know it look a little, but at least my hair is protected, okay? Freshly washed, blow dry, and flat iron hair. And then I have some edge control to slick my hair back into a little ponytail. And I have my little bald cap, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I don't have anything else to put on my hair. And voila. So let's go in with my glue. And my silver tail comb. I'm actually about to be out of glue, so I need to go get me some more. Okay, I done applied my first layer of glue. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, and we're going to get her a little bit dry. And I'm going to apply a second layer, of course. Okay, now I'm going to apply my second layer of glue. Okay, so my glue is about dried basically, and I got my wig and I'm about to put her on. Make sure I do the back first. Okay, y'all, so she is on, as you can see, looking good so far. So I'm going to take my brow tool and start cutting the lace. And I split it into 3 parts because I figured it would be easier. So. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna go and spray the lace just to make sure that it's 100% secure. So I hope this works. Now I'm going to try to hold it down and secure it and dry it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a washcloth and some alcohol. And I'm just going to clean up the excess glue around my lace. Okay, so I'm just going to go around my lace and put some of this pressed powder in my big brush. I'm going to blend in the lace with my skin as much as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to start cutting my edges, and then I'm going to put my band around my head and just let it sit for a few minutes. Then I'm going to come back, style my edges, and we'll be finished. Okay, I got my edges. Now I'm just gonna put my band on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them and get them prepped so when I take the band off. Okay, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes and then I'm gonna come back and do my edges. And we'll be finished. Okay, y'all, let's remove this band and style these edges. Oh, hairs that ain't supposed to be on my face. Okay, edge control. See, some people use mousse, but I don't have any mousse, so we're just gonna use this. Okay, let's brush her out. And this wig is very thick. Like thick. Okay. Put some stuff in my part. A liquid foundation. I just bought this tube. I forgot all about this. So this is the finished product. I flipped it over like this. I actually think it kind of looks cute. Yeah, see, I like that. That's cute. Flip it over, give it some little bit of funk, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.